All right, sunshine around here in West Michigan with cloud cover slowly but surely increasing for areas south of I-94. But the wave heights have been quite choppy at times. We do have a yellow flag at the South Haven Beach, but plenty of people out there this evening as we're waiting for the rain to arrive, which will be well after sunset and most likely after midnight for a lot of communities. We're at 80 degrees in Fremont, 82 in Kalamazoo, 78 in Greenville and the Lakeshore. Most areas in the 70s, but 82. Warmer one in Benton Harbor with really humid air for areas south of Grand Rapids. Winds have been nothing more than 5 to 7 miles per hour out of the west-northwest here today, slowly but surely going to drift more northerly and then northeasterly as the rain moves in here tonight and tomorrow morning. So tomorrow, we're not going to have a lot of wind along the lakeshore, but 10 to 20 miles per hour is going to push the waves and that warmer water away. So I anticipate some decent upwelling to occur for Lake Michigan as water temps are near 70 right now. In a few areas may have some 2 to 4 foot waves, but again, the waves aren't being crashed along the pier, so it won't be terrible, albeit not a beach day tomorrow with the rain that's moving in, especially in the morning. All right, we're seeing a few showers near Newaygo and Mecosta County, far northern communities along US 10. Severe thunderstorm watch off to the east from what came through this morning, and the slow-moving front now starting to turn into a more organized cold front with decent shower and storm activity off into Minnesota and Wisconsin. Here's the rainfall that we've measured since midnight here today, 1/3 of an inch along I-94, 8/10 at the Holland Airport in a few isolated areas, reaching that 9/10 threshold, getting ready to add potentially another 1/2 inch to inch of rain here tonight. Grand Rapids temperature will fall back to around 59 degrees under the scattered showers and storms. I think most areas will see rain, just a matter of how long the rain lasts for your community. Severe weather, not as much of a concern as this system develops now along and south of I-96. Still in a marginal risk. We've remained in the marginal risk the whole forecast within that period of the outlook, and it looks like it's going to be limited, especially between I-96 and I-94. I think most, if any, concern for a strong to severe storm will be along and south of I-94. But here we are into Tuesday morning, and that's when that heaviest batch is going to be sweeping through, and some downpours still going to be mixed in regardless of severe weather. So with the rain we had this morning, on top of the rain that's moving in tonight and tomorrow, there is the potential for some flood advisory concerns in some communities, especially those low-lying areas. By the time we get to Wednesday, though, dew points back to the 50s, sunshine in abundance as well. It's going to be a nice midweek for us, especially all things considered, as Tuesday stays with a high just near 70. But this is going to be what looks like the rainiest day of August so far, at least 24-hour period, with Grand Rapids looking at potentially upwards of 1.5 inches of rain. I think a lot of communities may get that isolated amount, while others stay just under 1 inch before the dry air moves in Wednesday.